We haven't exactly told my mom about everything yet.
I'm scared to see how she's going to react.
She doesn't exactly know what the design is going to look like. Every piece of the design is meaningful for us. We're excited to see her very authentic reaction.
This is a pre-construction meeting. The next step would be to walk around your house, review the scope of work in detail.
Let's do it.
The biggest change to this space is ensuite with a full bathroom, shower.
It's also going to have a grab bar and a bench. This is the only house that my parents have ever lived in.
Got a lot of history. We're trying to utilize the space in your home to help accommodate your lifestyle.
The biggest change will be on the main floor here. We are tearing down some walls to create more space.
It's a fairly large project. Quite a bit of creativity to come up with solutions.
Sounds good.
Sound good?
Let's do it.
All right.